110, 111. Wait, that's 110. That's 111. 112. 113. 114. 115. Let's keep it going for a while. It's got 2 digits in the middle. 116. 117. 118. 119. 120. 121. 122. It's backed up behind us. 123. 124. 125. Going on for 10 minutes. 126. 127. 128. 129. 130. 131. 132. 133. 134. 135. 136. 137. 138. 139. 140. Looks like it's about to stop. That means there's another train. Doesn't look like there's anything else on its way. And we can't turn around either, so we're stuck here. Me too. I'd rather do that. Wait this out. I mean, we don't know, it could be hours, but I think they're gonna start moving again at some point. I think I feel some other rumbling. Could be that engine way up there, but I think I feel some other... Could be a train coming on the other track, which is preventing this one from moving. He's turning around. There's 2 cars now. He's turning around. Sure, don't you mean no one here besides us? Train is still sitting. Can't really turn around now. It's gonna be the longest train ever by the time it starts moving. There we go. Clearing the track. $140. $141. $142. $143. $144. $145. We're about to be up to 150, I think. 146. Wow, this one's going on for 16 minutes. 147. Probably gonna break off the video soon, so I don't use up everything. 148. 149. 150. 151. 152. 153. This one could have been a mile-long train. 154. That's probably why they got two engines in the middle, and maybe they'll have another one. Because it could be so long that they can't pull it without having several engines in there. 155. And then stops again. I'm gonna break off the video now.
Turn around, get out of here.
Yeah. Let's get out of here.